Alright, if you have a Ford 4.0 single overhead cam engine in your Ranger or Explorer or any Ford product, and you got a rattle on startup, this is why. Look at this. The guides broke off, and we've been riding the actual tensioner metal bracket with no plastic here, and also as well in the rear. You can see the guide also broke here in the back as well, and it actually contacted the stud after the plastic guide fell off, and it actually could have created catastrophic failure. This is a interference engine which would have ruptured the chain and or let it jump timing, allowing it to contact pistons to the valve. Destroyed the engine, and this engine was just shy of needing to be replaced. So if you have a Ford 4.0, this is why. Tensioners broken here. When we took off the valve covers, we also seen plastic guide in here. You can see it here. I found bits and pieces of plastic thrown all through this engine, so you can imagine how much damage this can cause. Here, the balance shaft on the bottom is also loose. We haven't removed any components yet. This is just how we found the engine upon inspection.